Hey guys, it's Hailey, and today we are going to be unboxing or unpackaging, opening. It's not a box, so opening some Rosanna Pansino merch. I am very excited to film this video. This literally just came in the mail today, but I waited to open it so I could video. But now I get to open it, so let's get started. This is actually a pretty weird video for me to film because normally I did baking and it's very formal, but let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, just casual about my life, or like fun challenges. I love doing challenges with my brother Sam. First of all, I just gotta say, I love this packaging. Like, look at this. It has the little logo, row, and then it just has like sprinkles all over it, like cupcakes or something. It's so cute, 10 out of 10. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Hey, I'll just drop the packaging. Oops. So I ordered the 10-year anniversary Nerdy Nummies t-shirt, and put that down. Here, oh my gosh, it's so soft. Here it is. This is what the shirt looks like. I honestly am totally in love with it. It's really comfortable and cute, and this is the crop top. There are two 10-year anniversary shirts, or there were. I think it was a pre-order only. And it's gray, and it has the little logo right here on the front. And then on the back, move my hair out of the way, it has the big logo. Bam! Hair flip. I have no complaints. I really like this shirt, other than I think the arms just a little bit tight, but I can get over it. Overall, I'm happy with my purchase. I'm happy with the packaging, and I'm happy with the shirt. So that's 2 thumbs up for me. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and you can click the subscribe button right down there and ring the notification bell if you would like to know when I post new videos. I post videos every week, and I will see you in the next one. And ring the notification bell if you blah blah blah. Can't talk.